cracks that are emerging as far as these are the cracks as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, because of the announcement that was made by Tejasvi Yadav. Do remember during the Vote Adhikar Yatra, he had spoken about being the Chief Minister for the state of Bihar in the upcoming elections. But now it is Udit Raj of the Congress party who has gone on to say that Tejasvi Yadav being the face as far as the chief ministerial face is concerned is only for his own party, RJD. But when it comes to the India bloc, this is going to be a collective decision that is going to be taken and not a decision that is going to be taken by Tejasvi Yadav or the RJD. So he may be the chief minister's face for the party, his own party, the RJD, but not for the India bloc. And that is going to be a collective decision. And of course, that is hinting at cracks in the Mahagathbandhan over the chief ministerial face as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, just ahead of the elections. Let's listen in.
देखिए, वो कर सकते हैं, वो तो कोई भी पार्टी कर सकती है, उसके समर्थक, वो पार्टी, उसके नेता तो क्लेम करेंगे ही। लेकिन इंडिया गठबंधन के अभी कहते हैं सामूहिक सीएम की कैंडिडेट नहीं है। अब देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है, पार्टी हाईकमान क्या नोटिस लेती है।
Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, now that we know when the dates are going to be taking place as far as elections are concerned in the state, the big question now really is who will be the chief ministerial face, and that is something that we are seeing the cracks that are emerging, particularly by the India bloc saying that it can't be Tejasvi Yadav or the RJD taking that call.
And the initial reactions that are coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party over such comments, the BJP is saying that everything is not very happy, what they are projecting as a big happy family as far as Mahagathbandhan is concerned. Every party in the Mahagathbandhan has their own aspirations, and they want their own leader to be the chief minister. Tejasvi Yadav, yes, at the Jan Adhikar Yatra, he projected himself as the chief minister. Many in the India Alliance are projecting RJD as the elder brother, and it is now Congress leader who has openly now commenting on Tejasvi Yadav being declared as the chief minister face. He said that he might be the face for the chief minister for RJD, as every supporter wants their own leaders to be the chief minister or to take that position of the chief minister. But it should be a collective decision that should be made by the Mahagathbandhan. The leaders have not sat together yet, and it is the seat sharing formula is still not being prepared, and therefore the reason perhaps it will much take time. As I mentioned, it is CPI-ML who yesterday gave the offer to the Mahagathbandhan that they wanted to at least fight at 30 seats, but that proposal was rejected outrightly because they want just 12 seats in the 2020 assembly elections, and there are many more aspirations in smaller parties as well. They want a bigger faction of the seat sharing. So yes, it is the cracks that are wide open that can be seen within the Congress party and the RJD over the name projection of the chief minister. Now Congress hitting out at the RJD saying that Tejasvi Yadav might be the chief minister face for RJD supporters, but he's not the collective face.
Right, Aishwarya, of course, considering that he's very young and up against Nitish Kumar, if that was to be the case, that is something that is being weighed upon at the moment, because there's that crucial hearing, of course, that meeting that's coming up tomorrow, and that announcement that we are expecting. Even though we do know that NDA seat sharing talks are on, the Mahagathbandhan also huddles to finalize its seat sharing formula, and sources are saying that Tejasvi Yadav's RJD had offered the same number of seats to the CPI-ML, which was rejected. Sources say that CPI-ML MLAs will be submitting the list of 30 seats and will be demanding a total of 40 seats from the RJD as things get tough for Tejasvi Yadav in the balancing act of sharing seats. It's Congress's Udit Raj who has come out and said that RJD may have decided on Tejasvi as the chief minister's face, but it is the India bloc that will be taking that final call.
बिहार के लोग बदलाव चाहते हैं। बिहार के लोग जो हैं इस बार महागठबंधन की सरकार चाहते हैं। जो 20 साल से इन लोगों ने अपराध, भ्रष्टाचार, अफसरशाही, तानाशाही, घोटालेबाजी, जिस हिसाब से इन लोगों ने बिहार की सरकार ने जो दिया है, बिहार के लोग जो है त्रस्त हो चुके हैं, परेशान हो चुके हैं और मुख्यमंत्री अचेत अवस्था में। अब बिहार को मुख्यमंत्री गिड़गिड़ाने वाला नहीं चाहिए, जो शेर की तरह दहराए, उस वैसा जो है सीएम जो है बिहार के लोगों को चाहिए, जो बिहार के अधिकार, हक और बिहार के लोगों के साथ इंसाफ कर सके। ऐसा मुख्यमंत्री बिहार को चाहिए।
डेट से सेटिस्फाइड तो खैर छोटी सी बात है। हम जो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है वो हैं जो सवालों के जवाब नहीं मिलते। चुनाव आयोग की विश्वसनीयता रोज एक नया प्रश्न चिन्ह लग जाता है। आपने कहा एक माहौल बनाया, राजनीतिक माहौल बनाया, साहब घुसपैठिए, घुस गए, इसलिए लिस्टें साफ की जा रही। कहां है घुसपैठिए? दिखाओ, एक तो बताओ। आप देखिए कि आज 4 बजे घोषणा होनी है। कल भी प्रेस वार्ता थी, लेकिन कल संडे था तो बैंक अकाउंट्स में पैसे नहीं डाल पा रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री जी। आज डाल दिए, घोषणा हो गई। आप बताइए, मिलीभगत नहीं है, ये गठबंधन नहीं है चुनाव आयोग का भाजपा के साथ, तो और क्या हो सकता है? ये सामने आपको उदाहरण मिल रहा है।
Right, Aishwarya back with us. Aishwarya, of course, all riding on that very crucial meeting that's coming out tomorrow, and that is when there will be more clarity, because at the moment, of course, we do know that meeting is coming up and the seat sharing talks that are on as far as both sides are concerned, whether the NDA or even the Mahagathbandhan.
Well, there are internal deliberations that are taking place within the RJD and Congress party, and they are looking, to finalize their own names for the candidates that they will be announcing. But within the RJD and the Congress, many leaders have been stating that first, the Mahagathbandhan should sit together and finalize the seat sharing formula, so that they can get to know that how many seats they are contesting from, and ultimately they should come out with their names. And therefore, the reason perhaps the Congress leaders have also revealed to us that tomorrow in the Congress CEC, it will be at least 58 to 60 or 62 perhaps seats that would be on the table. It is a virtual meeting with senior leaders all joining in, and there will be feedback that will be taken as well. So at least 62, 58 or 60 seats that they are looking for to have deliberations upon to finalize their own name. And it would be, first those seats where the sitting MLAs are, and they're very confident of winning those seats together. But the selection of seats are very important, and that they will only get to know when there is a Mahagathbandhan meeting that will take place in the upcoming few days, so that the selection of seats, how many seats each and every political party will fight, and perhaps the smaller parties which are now in the Mahagathbandhan, including the VVIP and others, how many they will be accommodating as well. So after that only the list would be released by these parties who are the part of Mahagathbandhan. It will be very important to see how tomorrow's meeting will pan out as far as Congress internal meetings are concerned. But RJD and the other parties will also have a deliberation in the upcoming few days.
Right, before we have more clarity, let's just get in Prabhakar also. And Prabhakar, take us through, the speculations doing the rounds at the moment. I mean, we're hearing so much, and all of that is all set to change before we really have some clarity after that meeting that's coming up of the Congress tomorrow.
That would be very, very crucial, because as far as the seat sharing among the Mahagathbandhan parties are concerned, it's the Congress actually which is acting tough. There are not only the seat numbers have not been freezed, but also Congress this time wants a quality seat for themselves. Congress last time in 2020 elections had contested around 70 seats, and out of those 70 seats, Congress won only 19. So the strike rate was very, very poor, I would say. And this time Congress is insisting upon having quality seats, winnable seats in their quota, and which would actually eventually mean that RJD will have to let go many of their sitting MLAs, which RJD as a political party is not willing to do so. So that is the bone of contention as of now between the Congress and the RJD. The Congress is pressing hard for it. There's a tough bargain going on between both the parties for the last 48 hours here in Patna. And tomorrow, the Congress's meeting would actually clear the whole picture. Now, RJD, apart from the Congress, is also facing the seat demands from the left parties. The left parties this time are pressing for more seats in their favor, right from the CPIM to CPIML and CPI. So all those three parties collectively are eyeing around 35 to 40 seats is what they are demanding. And RJD, as a lead party in the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, is finding it difficult to accommodate all such demands.